In the vast tapestry of nature, some creatures stand out due to their immense size and awe-inspiring presence. Nature's Giants takes you on a journey through the animal kingdom, exploring the largest species across different environments, from the bustling fields of farms.
Honeybees and bumblebees are social insects that live in colonies. Each colony consists of a queen, workers, females, and drones, males. Honeybees are the only insects that produce food, honey, consumed by humans. A single honeybee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Ants are highly social creatures that live in colonies, which can consist of thousands to millions of individuals. A colony usually includes a queen, workers, and males, drones. The queen's role is to reproduce, while workers take care of foraging, defending the colony, and caring for the young.
Ladybugs can be red, orange, yellow, or even black, often with spots. The number and arrangement of the spots can vary by species. Ladybugs are beneficial insects because they consume aphids, mites, and other pests that harm plants. A single ladybug can eat up to 5,000 aphids in its lifetime.
Rhinoceros beetles are among the strongest creatures on Earth relative to their size. They can carry objects that are up to 850 times their own body weight, which is like a human lifting several cars. Rhinoceros beetles are one of the largest types of beetles in the world. Some species can grow up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters long, making them impressively large insects. Butterflies undergo complete metamorphosis, which means they go through 4 stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult butterfly. This transformation process is one of nature's most remarkable. Butterfly wings are often brightly colored thanks to scales on their wings. African buffalo can weigh between 1,100 to 2,000 pounds, 500 to 900 kilograms. Water buffalo can grow even larger, with some reaching over 2,600 pounds, 1,200 kilograms. They are known for their immense strength, capable of pulling heavy loads in agricultural work. Scorpions are among the oldest animals on Earth, having existed for over 400 million years. Even before dinosaurs roamed the planet. Scorpions fluoresce under ultraviolet, UV, light, such as from a blacklight, due to a substance in their exoskeleton. Pandas are primarily herbivores and feed almost exclusively on bamboo. However, they are technically omnivores and occasionally eat small animals or fish. Pandas are mostly solitary. Each adult has its own territory, though they may meet during mating season.
Cows are widely known for producing milk, which is a major source of dairy products like cheese, butter, and yogurt. A single dairy cow can produce between 6 to 7 gallons of milk per day, depending on the breed and care. Cows are herbivores and have a unique digestive system with 4 stomach chambers: the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Horses were domesticated over 5,000 years ago, originally in the steppes of Central Asia. They were used for transportation, farming, and as companions. Horses communicate through body language, facial expressions, vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, snorts, and ear positions. They can express emotions like happiness, fear, or curiosity using these signals. Elephants have extraordinary memories, and their intelligence is among the highest in the animal kingdom. They can remember places, individuals, and experiences for many years. Their intelligence is demonstrated by their ability to use tools, solve problems, and communicate with each other. Elephants are highly social animals living in tight-knit family groups. The group is usually led by the oldest female, matriarch, who provides guidance and leadership. Reindeer make a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, snorts, and hums, to communicate with one another. These vocalizations help keep the herd together, especially during migrations or in challenging weather conditions. Reindeer exhibit strong social behaviors, such as cooperating in herds to find food and protect each other from danger.
To the untamed wilds of jungles, and even the tiny yet formidable world of insects. On the farm, we encounter the heavyweights of domesticated animals, such as towering cattle,